we go. It's an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I always think the reveal is kind of the fun part, getting packages in the mail. Today's a big day, as you can see. See the sign, sweetie?
Am I supposed to talk?
Did you see the sign?
I did. I see part of
Okay.
it. It says wedding anniversary present. And I can't see it's made by. I can't see anything else. Alphabet Greek. I know them. Okay. Yep. I know Alphabet Greek.
Yeah.
I've been there before.
There you go.
Yep.
I think it's in the camera. Yeah, we can still see it.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to open this later. This is a
Okay.
lovely little card I got.
Card. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ready for this?
I'm ready.
Big reveal.
Oh, I'm
Alphabet
on.
Greek is in Plainview, New York. She's my
Yep.
sister-in-law, full disclosure.
Yep.
But I am paying for these shirts.
And she's amazing. My sister is amazing.
Oh, I got to move that one up.
Okay.
This is his,
Oh boy.
Okay.
The shirt I have to wear, I guess. Right.
and this is hers.
I love when people give me shirts that I have to wear.
There we go. That's it.